Hi, this is the Nokia 220 and I'll show you how to turn on a silent mode or turn it off on this device. So first we should open the menu and find the settings. Select the settings, scroll to personalization, select it, scroll to the sounds, tap on it, and scroll down to the volume section. Then press a left button just to silent mode. And by this way we could see that the silent mode successfully activated. All of our vibrations, notification alerts, the ringtones, they are muted. To turn it off, just press a right volume button to unmute the volume, and by this way we just successfully turned off the silent mode. And also we got one more way how we could do that. The fastest one, just you should press the hash icon. That's one. You should press and hold it for 2 seconds. And now we can see that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, by the same way, click to the hash key, and we can see that the silent mode is turned off successfully. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.